what I got. As soon as I press record. Hello, Zari. Hey. Hey. I don't know if there's an actual difference between the S5 and the S4 exhausts. Is there? Where are you?
Transmission, engine, it's all the same.
So wait a second. Do you think that the M4's exhaust is better or the S5's? Who's got the better exhaust system?
The RS5 is what you should be talking about when you talk about the M4.
I think that the M4 is probably gonna do better than both.
Produce more of them. No exclusivity.
All right, show me this S4's exhaust system. Slide on the pimp game with your pinky ring.
Enough.
Let me see this bad boy. Not bad.
Comfort mode.
Why didn't you put it in Sport Plus?
Halfway through.
Halfway through? No. This is actually the dealer that sold my boy's S5 that's about to pull up. We're waiting for him to come so Ben can explain the car to him. Obviously, the kid that picked it up, I can't tell you who it is. Super important, super VIP guy. He's probably watching this and wants to punch me in the face. He couldn't wait. He had to get out of there. So he probably did some burnouts in the parking lot or something. I have no idea what he did, but he's gonna come back now, do a little bit more of a delivery on the car. He's gonna actually rev up the exhaust for us so you can hear if the S4 and the S5 actually have any sort of difference whatsoever. And according to a big guy over here, no difference at all. Let's hear this S5. I'll show you the car. Really cool car, kind of a tough one. We had to bring this car in from Connecticut.
It's a rich build, so it's gonna be like a one of a kind.
One of a kind. Really special car. Let's see this thing. Actually, first, let's hear my M4's exhaust before going into it. But I'm gonna make you hear the M4 first before you hear the S5. So I did get a tune in this, but I'm gonna put it in comfort first before I put it in Sport Plus. I'm gonna do both. You better hope the S5 or the RS5 sounds like this.
We're gonna expose him. He has a tune in the vehicle.
No.
GTS
even
tune.
if you the tune in the S5, it ain't gonna.
We don't have to.
Can we hear the S5? I'm gonna take the camera. Actually, you know what? Can I do the I do the honors? So this is the S5 in question that my friend just got. My friend is super VIP. He can't be in the shot for legalities. He's actually holding the camera right now to make sure he's not in it.
It's like a fine scotch. You drink it straight. Ari likes to, mix his stuff. That's why he gets the tune in his car. Keep it natural.
You guys hear anything?
That's raw power. Sleep.
Sure? I still like my M4. However, I'm gonna show you some stuff in this car right now while my boy is taking delivery, okay? Might as well put a plate frame on it while we're here. Can I hand you your key back? Congrats, Kench.